dependencies, packages, frameworks, and analyzers. All these terms we hear often when we work with .NET Core. These are essential concepts for building modern applications. But sometimes these terms can be confusing to understand what they are, how they work, and why they are important. Let's break them down in simple terms and go through some practical examples. In the below picture, you can see here the project folder structure. First, dependencies, and another dependencies, analyzers, framework, and packages. First of all, let's talk about what are the dependencies. Dependencies refer to the external libraries, frameworks, or components that your projects need function correctly. Dependencies could be libraries, third-party libraries, or other NuGet packages. There are one kind of dependencies called transitive dependencies. When some dependencies or some packages depends on another packages or another dependencies, then these dependencies called transitive dependencies. In Visual Studio, dependencies are listed in CS project file under package reference element. In item group section, in the package reference element, dependencies are included here. Let's see in a .NET Core project where are the dependencies. Look, in this project, these items are dependencies, analyzers, frameworks, and packages. These are the dependencies. These items are under the section of dependencies. Now, we are going to talk about packages. And what are packages? There are two types of packages. One type of packages we can download from NuGet, and these packages are called NuGet packages. And then there are another type of packages called custom packages that can be created by yourself. Okay, what is NuGet packages? A NuGet package is a reusable bundle that contains compile codes or other resources needed for a project. These projects are distributed through NuGet and they can include additional libraries and dependencies. What are the purposes? Packages provide external libraries or functionalities that your project requires. This can include third-party libraries like Newton, JSON, development tool like Entity Framework Core, or others. Packages are listed in CS project file under the tag package reference. Look, Newton soft.json, Microsoft Entity Framework Core, these are the packages. Let's see what are the packages in a .NET Core project and how to add them in our project. Look, under the dependencies section, this is the packages. Already one package has been added. Let's see in the CS project file. In the CS project file, in the package reference tag, Newton soft.json packages has been included. And let's see how to add a package in our project. Right click on your project, go to manage NuGet packages, then browse. Suppose we want to add Microsoft Entity Framework Core package. Then click on that package. Then in the right side, you can see something look like this. And the latest stable version is this one. Then install it. Click on install button. Accept. And this package has been installed. Let's see what happened in our project. Look, Unity Framework 4 package has been installed, and it is under the package section, under the dependency section, package section, and under the package section, Unity Framework 4 package. Now let's go talk about frameworks. Frameworks. A framework refers to a base platform or set of libraries that your application is built upon .NET Core. The .NET Core framework represents the core libraries, APIs, or runtime that provide the fundamental functionality. That means a framework consists of libraries, APIs, or runtimes. Purpose. Frameworks define the runtime environment for your application and provide access to system-level functionality. You can specify the target framework the project is built against, such as .NET Core or .NET Framework. In this project file, the framework is specified using the target framework element. Let's see where they are in our project. Look, under the property group tag, in the target framework tag, our .NET version has been defined. And look, under the dependency sections, frameworks are here. Microsoft .NET Core app. Now we are going to talk about analyzers. Let's see what are analyzers and where they are in our project. What are analyzers? Analyzers are tools or components that perform static code analysis during the development process. They help identify potential issues, enforce coding standards, and provide suggestions for code improvements. Analyzers do not affect the runtime behavior of the application but improve the code quality. That means analyzers improve the code quality, detect the code errors, or identify the potential issues, or enforce coding standards, or provide suggestions for our improvement. And these are the reasons, these are the purpose analyzers are used. Let's see why are the analyzers in our .NET Core project. Look, under the dependencies section, analyzers are here. These are the analyzers. And that's all about dependencies, analyzers, framework, and packages. Thank you.